Hi guys, thank you for tuning in to another one of my videos. So today I'm going to be unboxing, hopefully in here it's going to be two sets of nails from the Etsy seller Bakus Nails. Hopefully I said the name right. If I didn't, I apologise. So first things first, this is the box that the nails are housed in. There's no sellotape or anything like that on them. The nails came in a jiffy bag like this. Obviously I've opened it. So let's get cracking and open these nails. So hopefully there will be two sets in here. Alright, okay. So this is the inside of the box. So this is tissue paper, so we'll move that out of the way. Yes, there's two sets. Now I've never seen nails sent like this before. It's always been either a box each where they've been lined up, or they've come in these baggies as they are. But I'm still impressed because obviously the nails have been kept safe by this box. So this is the first set. Now these ones are £16.99, so that's £16.99. Oh, look at that holographic. That is beautiful. So as you can see, they're like a plum colour, and they've got little sparkles in them. And then this is the other side. So I got these in medium stiletto. Absolutely beautiful. So the creation time on these nails is 2 weeks. Then delivery was about a week. It would have been sooner for me, but I ended up missing the delivery and had to go and pick them up from the post office. So these are the nails here. Look at that jeweled nail. Look at that shining. That is gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. And then again, these are in regular stiletto as well. Look at them. Oh my god. I am really tempted to get that jeweled one out just to have a look at the quality of how the jewels have been sticked on. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. So sometimes when sellers do these nails with the gems on, they just use super glue, and when they do that, the gems come off really easily. Oh my god, but look at that though. So feeling it, they seem very stuck on. Looking at them, I'm gonna say that they've been stuck on with gel. I'm very impressed with that. Look at them. Gorgeous. I just can't get over that shine. Look at them. Beautiful. So this was just an unboxing, basically showing you what they look like, my first impressions. Oh, and by the way, these ones with the red ones with the word love on them and this beautiful sparkly shiny jeweled nail were £9.99. I did find for this seller to be quite expensive on the postage. They are a UK seller, and I'm based in the UK, and it cost me £3 for the nails to be delivered. Now at the beginning I thought that was quite expensive. However, the nails were signed for, so that obviously bumps the prices up. So I mean, I understand that sellers have obviously got to watch their own backs, kind of thing. Just the rest of this box, so we get a very large, probably the largest nail file I have received with nails. Look at that. It's very good quality nail file. And then in here are the nail tabs as well, which you obviously get complimentary, but I don't use these. So that is the nails. So I'm going to put a link in the description below for these nails and for the purple nails if you are interested in them. I am going to do a proper review once I actually have put the nails on, because it's just like a first impressions, you know, things can change. So if you like this video, please do like and subscribe, and I will speak to you all again soon. Bye.